Hi everyone, welcome to Professor Srinidhi's classes. Please like, comment, share the video and also subscribe to the channel. This video is about entrepreneurship, importance of entrepreneurship, roles of an entrepreneur. Before going to the topic, let me tell you a story. Road to Success. A half South African and half Canadian born kid had a very rough childhood. His parents were divorced, then he lived with his dad up to the age of 17. His dad was not a good guy either, and also was very much bullied by others in school, were very seriously injured because of this, and he even had to change the schools. All such horrible stuff happened to him. Then one day he set a goal to achieve something. Don't know what, but to achieve big things in life, to come out of this miserable life. So he decided to go to USA. It is where the dreams come true. That's what he said to himself. He moved to Canada so that it would be easier to enter USA. He studied in Queen's University, then moved to USA, studied economics and physics in University of Pennsylvania, did his Bachelor's of Science in Economics from Wharton School, and also got his Bachelor of Art and Science. He even entered Silicon Valley as an intern in a startup company. The funny thing is, he was accepted to Stanford University to do his PhD and dropped from it in 2 days. This is the childhood heydays of Elon Reeve Musk. Everyone know him, Elon Musk. The name, fame, wealth, social media fiasco. But a lot of things are not known is his background, his sheer audacious willpower, combination of hard work and smart thinking, his difficulties, failures, sorry, not difficulties, let's say challenges he faced. But he started out at a very young age. He learned computing and done coding of a PC game called Blaster. He sold it just for $500. His achievements and the companies he found. Did he have any clear goal when he was in college? When someone usually asked these type of questions, he said, I quote, I didn't actually expect to do it. So it was not like this is some long fulfilled expectation. But when I was in college, I thought about what were the areas that would most affect the future of humanity, in my opinion. And the three areas were the internet, sustainable energy, and space exploration, particularly if humanity becomes a multi planet species. Well, he in fact did achieve this. In 1995, he started along with his brother, younger brother, a web software company called Zip2. Later, this was sold to Compaq, one of the biggest company in computer market. With this money, he started an online financial service and email payment company called X.com. Later, it was merged with another company, Confinity Incorporated, and became PayPal. Now, PayPal is owned by eBay. PayPal was sold for more than $1 billion. Then in 2002, he started another company, SpaceX. It took him a lot of effort to start this company. because many big companies rejected his plans and ideas and did not even support him, stating him as a novice in the space exploration field, as a rookie in the field. But now you can see it is the major collaborator with the NASA. In July 2003, he co-founded Tesla Motors, now Tesla Incorporated. In an interview, the secret Tesla Motors master plan, just between you and me, he said, build sports car. Use that money to build an affordable car. Use that money to build an even more affordable car. While doing above, also provide zero emission electric power generation option. He exactly did that, and now you have Tesla Model S3X electric cars. At present, he is the longest serving CEO of an automobile company in the whole world till date. In 2006, he co-founded another company, Solar City. It once became the second largest provider of solar power systems in the United States. In 2012, he openly spoke about Hyperloop concept. He is one of the first to build Hyperloop transportation technology, which is way ahead of its time. Its concept system, and there are a lot of buzz around this in all the medias nowadays. Then he found a non-profit artificial intelligence research company, OpenAI, co-founded a neurotechnology startup company, Neuralink, and also a tunnel boring company, named it the Boring Company. All these companies have done well. Some have done really well financially. Some are niche in the market, which are, by the way, really futuristic and way ahead of its time. And some are sold to others by a staggering amounts. And hence, the engineer, business magnate, industrial designer, and philanthropist Elon Musk, the real Iron Man. After learning about him, I feel we have a long way to go in our life. Coming to our topic, the question is, what is the importance of entrepreneurship? Why entrepreneurs are needed, and what roles do they play? Starting with the importance, personal growth. The first and foremost, it is everything for our benefit. To improve our standard of living, we work a lot, we create a lot, we use a lot of resources. For this to happen, entrepreneurship is the best way. Start your own business, enterprise, company, organization, run it successfully, get the maximum benefit, and then improve your standard of living. You can see in your surroundings a lot of luxurious possessions like high-end cars, villas, bungalows, mobile phones, and huge and costly shopping malls. All such kind of things point towards a better standard of living. Also, personal growth means improving your own self, like skills, managerial capabilities, technicalities, economics, knowledge, and experience. Next one is products, better products in the market. Because of so many entrepreneurs, there are better products in the market. When I say better products, the availability of product, whatever the quantity may be, it is there. There are products with new technologies, techniques, and unique products, starting from handmade products like food, crafts, arts, and then fully automated products like Tesla electric cars, all such kind of things. With this comes better quality of products also. Since there is huge competition, the products will have better quality, quantity with a lowest price. Promoting research and development. Entrepreneurship means creativity, then ideation, then research and development of the idea, and then implementing it. The need for research and development is there in entrepreneurship. Without it, new products or services cannot be launched in the market. The new ideas of goods and services to be experimented, tested, and reviewed. That is why there will be a lot of fundings to research and development in a lot of research institutes, laboratories, universities, and different R&D companies. Hence, it promotes research and development because this paves the way for better performance in entrepreneurship. Creating jobs. Let us take the unemployment rate. In 2003, the unemployment rate was 5.67%, and in 2018, it was 5.33%. Why the decrease? Why the increase in employment? The total number of registered entrepreneurs in India is increased exponentially. This increase has led to job creation. By the end of financial year 2019, the number of full-time employees in Tesla company was 48,016 people. Such a staggering number, 48,016. So many people are employed because of the vision of one person, one man, Elon Musk. Creation of organization. Founder, CEO, CTO, and chief designer of SpaceX. Early investor, CEO, co-founder, and product architect of Tesla Incorporated. Founder of The Boring Company. Co-founder of Neuralink. Co-founder and initial co-chairman of OpenAI, founder of Zip2, co-founder of X.com, which led to PayPal. See, so many organizations by a single person. This is the managerial skill of the entrepreneur. When entrepreneurs assemble and coordinate the physical, human, and financial resources, this will lead to a lot of successful organizations. Community development. A lot of entrepreneurs are philanthropists, meaning who do good to the people, invest their time, money, resources, skill, and experience to help people without expecting any returns. With this, a lot of needy are helped and the community will grow. The main goal of Musk Foundation by Elon Musk is to provide solar power energy systems in disaster areas, and then there are many other goals as well, like donations to R&D facilities, solar power system in the time of hurricane, help fighting climate change, planting trees. All such kind of things led to the overall growth of the society itself. In simple terms, doing good to people without any profits. Growth of national income. A lot of companies are created, jobs are created, products are run in the market. With this, of course, the national income will grow. The Tesla company paid $27 million in taxes during the financial year 2016. Last year, they have paid $110 million in taxes. With this growth of the organization, there is growth of the economy of the country. Integrity. The countries with poor economy but have great resources, the countries with poor resources but ease of doing business is good. They can both collaborate, they can work together, both can progress together. Entrepreneurship eliminates these boundaries. The human resources travel to different countries with the search of job. The secluded regions, poor countries, all can come together. Industrialization in rural regions leads to rural development and reduces the regional imbalances economically. Migrants, minorities, and women are also included in entrepreneurship. This leads to positive economy and the economical and political integration. These are some of the reasons why entrepreneurs are required, some of the importance of entrepreneurship. Now, some of the roles of entrepreneurs are, there is your regular roles of an entrepreneur, which is almost similar to roles of a manager. Starting with interpersonal role. There are three different types: figurehead, leader, and liaison. Second role is informational role. Again, there are three different types: monitor, disseminator, and spokesperson. Third role is decisional role. Under this, entrepreneur, disturbance handler, resource allocator, and negotiator. Then there is roles of entrepreneurs in economic development, which we have seen in the video. They are growth, that is personal growth, your value, assets, skills, and experience. Products with better quantity, quality, and technology. With globalization, we can get products from any part of the world. Research and development, that is promoting this research and development through the research institutes, universities, R&D companies, all such kind of institutes. Jobs, creating jobs for the masses, large scale employment. Organization, setting up of organizations, industries, companies, enterprises, small businesses, and all. Community, development of community, society as a whole. Get education, food, basic need to all the people. National income and its overall growth in terms of taxes. More taxes collected means better spending of these taxes by the government. Integration. When it comes to earning money, there will be integration. This entrepreneurship acts as a bridge and paves way for economical and political integration. Well, thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.